Welcome to the Passive Income channel. Today, we'll unveil the best AI chatbot for website. This amazing AI chatbot offers a significantly more attractive price than its competitors, as well as more advanced and unlimited features. We have tested the best chatbot options on the market. And today, we'll dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence applied to chatbots to increase the conversion rate on your website or to improve your affiliate commissions. Do you want to discover the future of chatbots and how they can revolutionize your business? But before we begin, remember to stay until the end of the video because we have something special for you. You will get instant access to our 2 free guides to boost your email list and improve your conversion rates. And we will reveal to you the best AI personal assistant app in the market that can help you increase your leads and sales. So, don't miss out. Now, let's talk about chatbots, and specifically, a gem we've discovered in the vast ocean of options. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to clone yourself to work 24/7, answering questions, generating leads, and selling products? Well, it's now possible. We introduce you to the best AI prospecting tool called AI Coaches. To start with, you should know the 5 most important things a good chatbot should do and why you should start implementing it. If you want to improve your conversions, capture more leads, increase your sales, or simply enhance your affiliate conversions, this will interest you. 1. Custom cloning. Imagine having a clone of yourself, or even experts in any field, working constantly to guide your clients. Generate leads and sell products. It's like having business superpowers. 2. 24/7 work. These chatbots never sleep, always ready to assist your clients at any time of day or night. Your business doesn't have office hours. 3. Lead generation. Want more sales opportunities? A good chatbot can automatically generate prospects, helping you broaden your horizons and increase your income. 4. Personalized guidance. Personalization is the key. They offer advice and coaching tailored to the individual needs of your clients, creating stronger connections. 5. Automated sales. Imagine if your products could sell automatically. The best chatbots can do this for you, contributing to efficiently increase your sales. It's all about AI Coaches. This chatbot does all this and much more. You can customize artificial intelligence avatars with specific knowledge, appearance, and a unique personality. Imagine having your own clone interacting with your clients, providing personalized advice, and generating sales opportunities tirelessly. It's like having a team of experts working for you all the time. But wait, we know there are other options in the market, like Chatbase, Orimon, botpress, and others. What really sets AI Coaches apart is the incredible difference in terms of resources and tools. At a much more affordable price than the competition. You know what's even better? You don't need to be a technical expert to make the most of these features. AI Coaches has made implementing this cutting-edge technology as easy as copy and paste. Yes, you heard it right. No hassle or long hours of learning. It's like having the power of artificial intelligence at your fingertips, without breaking the bank or wasting time on complicated setups. So, if you're looking for an accessible and powerful solution, AI Coaches is your answer. Why did we choose AI Coaches? Let me list the reasons. First, personalized cloning is a unique feature that allows you to recreate anyone, even yourself, with specific details. Additionally, these AI coaches work tirelessly, offering personalized advice, automatically generating leads, and even selling products for you. It's like having your best marketing version working 24/7, 365 days a year. And don't forget about complete customization. You can adjust the personality, counseling style, and appearance of your AI coaches to perfectly match your brand. But that's not all. Would you like to have passive income? This chatbot allows you to rent out AI coaches to individuals or businesses as virtual employees, generating income while you relax. And the best part is that these chatbots are a source of AI power that works tirelessly for you. Now, let's talk about how this can benefit marketers. We're excited to share with you the limitless possibilities that AI coaches offer to up your game in affiliate marketing. Imagine having personalized affiliate product recommendations in any language that genuinely boost conversion rates. And not just that, but also the ability to generate and nurture leads, build a valuable email list, and strategically distribute affiliate coupons. But why stop there? With AI coaches, you can enhance customer support, carry out cross-promotions, effectively integrate e-commerce within the chat itself, and even organize interactive affiliate challenges to increase purchases. And if you run a marketing agency, here's your golden opportunity. Imagine offering AI clones of business owners or key employees to increase your revenue. Now, I could keep talking about all the benefits, but I want you to discover more about AI coaches. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level with artificial intelligence, visit the link in the description and find out how AI coaches can transform your business. Plus, get our 2 guides for free to boost your email list and enhance your conversion rates. Remember to leave your comments, subscribe, and give us a like for more exciting content. Until next time.